Sir, the
Of course, the Cayetano block and the Gatchalian block now are both insisting that you are right. Ano po ang magiging susunod ninyong hakbang? Lalapit po ba kayo sa Korte Suprema para ma-resolve po ito?
Sila ang dapat pumunta sa Korte Suprema. Pero hindi nila gagawin yon dahil alam nilang mali sila. Why would that's a trap for them that they want me to go immediately to the Supreme Court because they know it will take time. Maniwala po kayo. Pag may inaresto pang 2, 20, tapos majority na naman kami, mag-iimbento na naman ng iba yon sila. So that's why I'm saying right now, no violence. I'm not calling for any civil disobedience. I will calmly, actively fight for the rights of the Senate, rights of the duly elected Senate President, and appeal to people's conscience. Diba? I mean, some things like this take 1 day, some things 20 years, but so be it. Ang role ko po ngayon ay paglaban ng Senate, paglaban yung totoo. But, you know, naawa ako sa mga magbabar exam pag hindi nagsalita yung mga dean. Kasi ngayon, as you said, kampo ng Gatchalian, kampo ng Cayetano. Ngayon kasi, parang inaano nila, sinong Marcos, sinong Duterte. Siguro naman, the Philippines is bigger than just 2 issues and 2 personalities, di ba? We can start deciding what's right or wrong per issue na hindi ka nababash ng kalaban o kakampi mo. Di ba? Yun ang problema.